asem no egusua aye critical na now no after say Chief Justice eba bontin ebeka se senia nkofo bi ewo na se ema yetimi suspending no ono de ehu se agenda bi ana omo create ye ne de wo na se na edisi for no abeka senie omo tu omo kasamafo amo ababontin ma ono so omo be defend omo fefe na Felix Ofosukwache enedi omanim na ne nsema obekan nyina ene se senia allegations CJ ebekan ye se ndisifo no na omode niam bi gugu akwam na mo na sia ne suspending no efise otu kwan ko bae na ya say ya suspending no so ma me wo boa no krekitikra eni asema wo kan emu unim se wayi bibia etia emra ewo man manunti ana endisifon etna so no mso no yentimi entna se mani baba ko emesei ya mamu a yepese yembe no ene sade a yebeyiwe fro ni apani pa wo se fata competent people na yede omu ebu se yentie Felix Ofosukwache after say all claims allegations and accusations ya CJ ebeye ewo media no so ni nyina no kreba kokra enim.
Her ladyship, the Chief Justice, all but insinuated that there was some political agenda at play to oust her, and that this whole process is a result of sin. Let me place on record, without fear of contradiction, and let me be clear that no such political agenda exists. His Excellency the President took an oath to which he was incidentally sworn by her ladyship, the Chief Justice herself. And in that oath, he swore to abide by the 1992 Constitution. He is enjoined to act a particular way when he receives petitions of the sort that he has received. And that is all that His Excellency has done. He has had no choice in the matter. The President cannot say that he has a view about how things should be done, and therefore if petitions have come, he will fail to act. If he did that, he himself would be in breach of the Constitution, and therefore he has been enjoined to act as any responsible leader or President of the Republic of Ghana would be required to do, as stipulated by the 1992 Constitution. The fourth point is also that we cannot have a sacred cow mentality in the way that we handle state affairs. Every single public official, from the President to the Speaker, to the Chief Justice, to Supreme Court judges, to ministers, to all public office holders, are bound by the provisions of Ghanaian law. Indeed, it was the former Australian Prime Minister, Kevin Rudd, who once said that when you join the game, you play by the rules. So no public official is allowed to raise him or herself above the laws of Ghana.
Ofosukwache our spokesperson the president I don't know abekasa or say niema bi ewo no ma CJ no ya entimi entwa ye ana Ghana ase so se ne enim no emra ewa hapa 1992 constitution na govern ye no emra na cover all the government appointees and ye we minister o we president o ye CJ o ye chief of staff o ni nyina mo omo hya ase e the moment be violate ye emra no na te say ye ni bibia se wo se etimi eyi ufuru onom na emra na ne wudi enti se nia obetena ho eka se ne suspension ne se ne na adwuma nyina etimi agye afiri ne nsem a ye hu bia asem na ekwakosi na ye nkofo bi ana plot ya osusu se ye NDC for because obi no ode ne sabe kumeche na eje fie enti o si make say ye MPP for na ye enti o the claims ni na akogu ye the new the NDC almost so our chess NDC for na and ye political agenda bi and almost so Charles CJ you crowd hard drink was it me a kicking out cry one time and no now I say no And the only thing the president niema bia na osusu se obetimi aye ede aboa amoman no etumpon. It's the president no take decision bia enye decision a ebe wie se ono mami anase mami Gertrude ne ho ebekwa akoto asemu anase bibi ebetimi ato no na owie no ana oto aso ese mami na kasa ne niema bia oye nam so ama say ya suspending na bi ene say yes military bia maami military person bi efiri mu na maami ne ho ebom mo hwehwe mu bi ekokọ so echese na ne nsa ehyehyɛ ase bi enti eniema boni bi a oye bra na ma ban ewo so no ndc for ban no ana mo nso ehu say also modern hwehwemu bi egu akwam because o hwe the way ndc for ba full vim ora team ne ba ya na anase wo hye amoto mu kra ebe hu achi wapie etine no ana ene omo ye hwehwemu ano mu hu se no boni bi ekoso no mo se na wo so mo take action ti the only action a omo take ye ene se wo se omo timi eyi ni fi onom enti for now no omo suspended no se de be ya omo proceed no mo hu do omo ye ne next and sana youth no organize omo homa MPP fund omo ji mo be that demonstration o Jubilee House ho no omo ndc ne de omo ye clean omo nsa ennim se maame no omo a no mo ahyehye niema e de etia no se de be omo timi egu nanim ase ebusia entie Felix Ofosu Kwache.
The other point that I wish to also place on record is that the attempt to link the dastardly killings of some Supreme Court judges and a military officer to this case are most disingenuous. To begin with, this government and President Mahama have nothing to do with the killing of any judge. Second, there's absolutely no nexus between the petitions that have been brought and that unfortunate incident in our past. So any effort to link the two is regrettable and should not find space in this sort of discourse. It is most undesirable, it is most unacceptable. Now, the venue in question is the Edu Lodge. Yes, it is close to the Osu Castle, which used to be the former seat of government. As I speak, there are government agencies that operate there. So it is a public place. The Osu Castle is a public place. You can go there to conduct official government business. Beside it are private residences owned by Ghanaians who move freely in and out of their residence, even though they are situated very close to the Osu Castle. So the impression that a facility in the vicinity of the Osu Castle necessarily makes it intimidating or foreboding is completely misplaced. It is unfair. It is not justifiable. Now, Edu Lodge is a state facility which is often used to house high-ranking officials who visit the Republic of Ghana. It belongs to the state. The decision to use that place was not that of government or President Mahama. The committee requested that they needed facilities of a certain status that could house their activities and that could facilitate a smooth running of the proceedings. And that facility was available. It is equipped with modern amenities that will facilitate the work of the committee. And the state only offered it upon the request of the committee. Let me also state that that facility is not intimidating. It is like any regular state facility where business can be conducted to the extent that it is put in the right shape. Wherever these proceedings were held, it will still be in camera, as clearly stipulated in Article 1468 of the 1992 Constitution. So that the proceedings are being held in camera is only in compliance with the Constitution. So it doesn't matter where it is held. And any security measure put in place is only intended to secure the place so that persons who are not authorized to be part of the